One sunny day, in the land of Arcade Town, little Fix-It Felix Jr. was ready to fix any game that broke down. With his repair kit in hand, he hopped onto his magic repair truck. "Good morning, Fix-It Felix Jr., called out the arcade owner, Mr. Arcade. "There's a problem with the Donkey Kong game. Can you please fix it?" "Of course, Mr. Arcade," replied Felix, hopping into the game with a determined look on his face. Inside the Donkey Kong game, Felix found a broken brick. He took out his repair kit and fixed the brick with a special glue. "One down, many to go," he thought. As Felix continued to fix the broken game pieces, he bumped into a friendly character named Pauline. "Thank you for saving my game, Fix-It Felix Jr., she said, smiling at him. Felix kept working hard, determined to make all the games in Arcade Town shine again. He fixed the Mario Brothers game, the Pac-Man game, and even the Frogger game. Suddenly, he came across a giant ape named Donkey Kong, who was causing chaos in the game. "Donkey Kong, please stop causing trouble," Felix pleaded. But Donkey Kong just kept on wrecking the game. Felix knew he had to think fast. He took out his repair kit and quickly fixed the game's power source. Suddenly, the game reset, and Donkey Kong was back to his normal self. "Thank you, Fix-It Felix Jr., said Donkey Kong, bowing to Felix. "I didn't realize I was causing so much trouble. I promise to be good from now on." With all the games fixed, the children of Arcade Town were happy and excited to play again. They cheered for Fix-It Felix Jr., thanking him for his hard work. Mr. Arcade rewarded Felix with a big bag of candy and a certificate for his bravery. "You're the best fixer in all of Arcade Town," he said, beaming with pride. Felix smiled, feeling proud of himself. He knew that no matter what game broke down, he could always fix it and bring happiness to the children. The end.